Welcome everyone to another episode of the Brice Side. We are heading down to the Penzance Promenade on Saturday the 4th of September. Tomorrow is the start of the Tour of Britain cycle race, and it's starting right here in Penzance. So to celebrate that, there is a firework display just off of the prom. I think there's a bug on my ear. So it's a firework display. So we're going to go down and see what we can film of it for you guys. Oh, a little bit dark. I'm out of the light. That better without the peak of my cap. Maybe. Anyway, just tripped as well. This isn't going well, is it? Anyway, I'll see you guys in a minute. So we're about 50 minutes away from the start of the fireworks, and there's literally no one down here. I'm surprised actually. There's a few kids over there, just in front of me a few yards. Just a few people strolling up and down. All the stalls where people were selling their crafts and arts, etc., are all cleared. They're all gone. Looks like there's one food vendor open down there, and the arcade is in full swing. So there's a few people over there, and the marshals are still here for the race tomorrow. The wind it's still a bit windy, but it has died down a little bit, so actually it's quite nice. I can just about see St Michael's Mount over there, like with its lights. The castle is illuminated, but it is still quite hazy. Yeah, it is quite hazy. I'm not going to walk the entire length of the prom because there's nothing down that far end, down by the Jubilee pool. So I'll just stick roughly where I am now. Find a nice spot to watch the fireworks, but to be honest, I don't think there's going to be any... Well, it's not going to be elbow to elbow, put it that way. Looks like there's a little bit of activity in Fraser's Fish and Chips. Some people congregating outside. Maybe they've placed an order, so I'm not sure if that's open or not, but there's life in there. It could be. Literally give you guys a little sweep along the promenade. There is nobody here. Well, very few people. Well, I wasn't going to walk down this far, but there are quite a few people making their way down to this end of the promenade, so I'm going to head on down here and see if there's a few more people, see what's going on exactly. Wind is still strong, but less strong than this afternoon. Definitely more people gathering on this end of the promenade. So these fireworks would normally have been set off at the Glouan Festival, but because of COVID that was cancelled. So I guess the money was there, they had the fireworks, etc. So they're going to let them off now to celebrate the Tour of Britain. Oh, there's still only a small handful of people down on the eastern side of the prom. Well, we're technically off the promenade now. Weird. There's just a few people lining the wall over there. Come on, Penzance, what the heck? Okay, I found my spot. Not exactly elbow to elbow, which is good. And now I'm just going to wait. There's a few more people arriving now. They're starting to congregate down by the Jubilee pool. But we should have a pretty good view here as well. So, all in all, not too bad a crowd. Wow. So that was that. That was quite a nice firework display. I was misled, however, like a lot of people were misled, and actually the fireworks were not on the prom, they were in the harbour itself, so had to do a little bit of a scoot round the corner to actually get to them on time. But we did, we were successful, we saw the fireworks, and it was a great display, to be honest. So super enjoyed that. And I think the challenge for tomorrow will be to see the start of the race, and then maybe look at the times, get in the car, head to Bodmin, look at the end of the race. That'll be sort of the end of the race, end of the first leg. So that might be a bit of a challenge that we might set ourselves tomorrow. So that'll be quite cool. As always, if you like the vlog, give it a big thumbs up. It really does help the channel. Do subscribe to the Brice Side and hit the notification bell. I'm from the Penzance Promenade. Cheers and gone.